Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this I'm going to show 5 ways to clean your dirty brushes. So let's get started. In first way I'm going to take an mild antibacterial hand wash. You can take any hand wash which is mild. I am taking a pump of this hand wash in a bowl and now I will dab this brush in this hand wash, and with the help of my finger I'm going to spread it all over and rinse off. This step is easy and suitable for less dirtier brush. In second method I'm taking this makeup remover water. I'm pouring this water in this bowl. There are 10 to 12 drops. This is my oil infused cleansing water. If you have normal cleanser, then you can add some drops of oil which can help and moisturize your makeup bristles. You can see makeup is coming off. Now again I will dab this brush in the hand wash for thorough cleaning. And with the same procedure, I spread it all over it and then rinse off. Here I am taking the help of blush cleaner mat. They are available easily in the market. If you don't have, you can use palm of your hand for better cleaning. Now in this method, I am taking a pump of the hand wash, putting small amount of makeup remover in this. You can say 1 or 2 teaspoons. Now I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of this coconut oil in this. Now I will mix this ingredient with the help of this brush in the circular motion. And now you can see the makeup started coming out of it. The color of the solution is totally changed. Now you can rinse off this brush. Always rinse off in the tilted motion. Now in this I am taking the makeup remover once again, and then I will add mild dishwash liquid. 1 pump would be enough, and then I am adding the olive oil in it. Remember not to add too much of oil, otherwise your brush will be very greasy even after the wash. Now I mix this content with my brush in a circular motion. It will help to clean this brush and break out all the makeup. For thorough cleaning, I am taking this cleaning mat so that it can clean this brush properly. After that, you can rinse off this brush in the running water. Now in this last method, I am taking a makeup brush shampoo. You can take any makeup brush shampoo which is available in market. This is Chloe makeup brush shampoo which is 100 ml of 250 rupees. It is SLS and paraben free. Now I'm taking a small amount of the shampoo in this bowl. Now I will take my brush and dab in this shampoo. Now I will spread the shampoo all over those bristles. Now I will take the help of this cleaner mat to clean my brush and then rinse off. This method is so easy that you can also clean your makeup sponges with it. I'm taking this shampoo and pour it on the sponge, wet sponge. Now spread this shampoo all over the sponge. And then rinse off. You can see it is totally clean. Now at last we have to dry off this brush. So I'm taking a tray and placing all the brush on it. With the help of tissue, I'm removing the excess water and placing them in a downward position so that they can dry off and excess water can be removed. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.